Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Ah hum Bartkan Whalehain ek az luxury machine ki. Joe surf car nahi, status, power. Or royalty ka complete combination high. Samni AAP deck rohi ho. A fully customized, wide-body Bentley-style convertible. Ek az car jo car hin bikadi ho jay. Wahan ser attention chura ledi high. Sabse palabat kadi hain iski design language ki. Yeah matte grey finish. Ekdom premium, ekdom stealth mode. Like a luxury assassin on wheels. Front mine aggressive grille, deep cut mesh, wide air intakes. Yes ab mila car is car ko ek don't mess with me attitude dedi high. Headlights round hain, classic Bentley signature. Leaking niche whale custom aero elements is car ko modern or beastly dono banate hain. Ek terra se year old money luxury or new age aggression ka perfect mix high. Side profile deco. Wide body fenders, deep side skirts, and those custom wheels. Yani road par chalti nahi. Float hodi hue lagdi high. Low stance, fat tires, and that muscular silhouette. Jis shi k samni siye guzadi high. As ki nazrain wahi freeze ho jadi hain. Or furbart kadi hain iski rear end ki. Soft top convertible design is car ko do a lag identities data high. Roof up, luxury royal ride. Roof down, full superstar vibes.